Designed for those who crave both power and elegance, this futuristic car sets a new benchmark for performance, innovation, and sustainability. The 2025 model builds on Lucid's legacy of high-end electric vehicles, combining cutting-edge technology with breathtaking design and an unmatched driving experience. From the moment you see it, the Lucid Air 2025 commands attention. Its sleek aerodynamic body, signature lighting design, and smooth curves make it look more like a piece of modern art than a car. Every line is carefully crafted for efficiency and style, improving airflow and reducing drag to boost performance and range. The panoramic glass canopy floods the interior with natural light, creating a sense of openness and calm while giving passengers a stunning view of the world outside. Inside, the Lucid Air 2025 feels more like a private jet than a car. The cabin is spacious and luxurious, filled with high-quality materials such as sustainable wood, recycled fabrics, and soft leather. Every detail is designed with comfort and sophistication in mind. The floating 34-inch 5K glass display stretches across the dashboard, merging digital innovation with driver convenience. It provides instant access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls in a simple, elegant way. A second screen, called the Pilot Panel, allows deeper control over vehicle systems and can retract when not in use, adding a touch of futuristic minimalism. But the Lucid Air 2025 isn't just about luxury, it's a powerhouse on wheels. Equipped with Lucid's advanced electric motors and cutting-edge battery technology, it offers up to 1,200 horsepower in the top trims, making it one of the fastest production EVs in the world. The car can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, rivaling even the most exotic supercars. Yet it manages to stay smooth, quiet, and composed, thanks to its adaptive air suspension and intelligent torque control system. When it comes to range, Lucid continues to lead the industry. The Air 2025 offers an estimated range of up to 520 miles on a single charge, setting a new record for efficiency. Its 900-volt charging system allows ultra-fast charging. Just 20 minutes at a DC fast charger can add up to 300 miles of range. This makes long-distance travel easier than ever, without the range anxiety that often comes with electric vehicles. Lucid has also placed a strong emphasis on safety and driver assistance. The Air 2025 includes the latest version of Lucid's Dream Drive Pro, a sophisticated suite of sensors, cameras, and radar systems that enable semi-autonomous driving features. It ensures peace of mind on every journey, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city traffic. The Lucid Air 2025 is more than just an electric car, it's a vision of the future. It represents the perfect fusion of luxury, performance, and technology, all wrapped in a sustainable package. For those who want to experience the best the EV world has to offer, the Lucid Air 2025 is not just a choice, it's a statement. It's the car that proves electric can be thrilling, elegant, and intelligent all at once.